Hello. Welcome to the Streamy Awards. No, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be making a YouTube video in 1 hour. Meaning, not all of it in 1 hour, because that'd be insane to customize shoes and edit and all that stuff in 1 hour. Instead, we're going to be having 1 hour to customize the shoes, and then we're going to have 1 hour to edit the video and start uploading it on YouTube. And then that's going to be it. That's going to be it. Custom Jazza cutting board. What would you call this? Not a cutting board. Whatever you call it. Part of the Ultimate Creativity Collection. If you didn't see the unboxing video, you can check it out on the new review. Link will be in the description. Okay, well, timer starts now. We'll just have that in the corner right there. Just like that. Okay, so first and foremost, I need to know what I'm doing, because I got a color palette kind of set up, I guess you could say. Or I just picked some colors that I had. This is a yellow. This is white. And then we got a gold. And we got a black. And that's what we're going to be doing. And then, of course, you got the red base, which we're going to be keeping for a lot of it. So first things first, I'm going to take this off already. We're already almost at a minute. Haven't even started doing anything. Not a lot of time. Okay, and that's this lace is off. So now we just got the shoes in their bare bones. So we also got tape here, of course. Got our palette. We got two different brushes. We got this regular old brush, and then we got this smaller brush, which also came in the Jazza's Jazzy Art Box in the minis kit. Okay, so first things first, I need to decide what I'm going to do with this thing. A lot I could do. A lot I can't do. Most of it I can't do. Wow, look at that. What a professional. What a professional job right there. You haven't seen anything like it. I mean, come on. It just doesn't exist. It just doesn't. Nothing to this level of goodness. I'm thinking we go this piece gold, just cause. Why not? Why not? So we got a gold. Got a brush. Whip it up a bit. Let's get this in our palette. Just get some nice scoops. Oh yeah, that's a nice scoop. Honestly, to make this look good, I'd have to do like a solid 2 layers, but still don't have the time. So it's probably going to look really ugly. And wow, I should have taped the corners of that. But you know how I am with taping. I am terrible. We're just over 10 minutes now. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. If we have time in the end, we'll go back and fix it up a bit. But right now, it doesn't look like we're going to have that time. Oh, crap. Just got paint all over my desk. So I'm thinking for this piece, we just go with the simple design. One that we don't have to put much effort into at all, because we don't put any effort at all. Get pieces of tape. And go sideways, trying to align it with this. Go right there. Probably used way too much tape. Could have just did a little thing, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna come in with a yellow here. Here we go. First color besides the gold, which I just had my finger on, is now on the shoe. Nice. Now I'm getting a bit stressed, because this can go wrong easily. The other one was an iffy. It was an iffy. This one can easily go sideways, and sideways hard. Oh, baby. Let's take the tape off. Wow, that's honestly bad. Honestly ugly. Honestly ugly. But it's not about making it look good. It's about having it done on time. And we are on time. That is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. Ugly. Just like everything else on the shoe. But what it is it's done. That's what it is. And that's what we're looking for. That's all we're looking for. Okay. Alright. It's probably going to be bad, to be honest, but it's too late to go back now. Just gotta commit to it. Got it all over the golden bit. Not good at all. I want this to be red instead of gold, like I said earlier. I do have red, I just didn't take it out because I wasn't expecting to use it. But we do have a red. Ladybug red. It's gonna look a bit more pink than it is red because probably not gonna have the most even coat ever. And so the white's probably gonna shine through a decent amount. And so it's gonna look a bit pink. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, I'm picking up this white paint that's on the side. And it's just messing me up, but I don't have enough time to let it dry. Alright, that's done. That's done on that one. Trying to wonder if I want to do anything else. To be honest, I really don't. But I still got 5 minutes left, just about. It's taken quite a while, to be honest. Hey, but from the camera, honestly, this looks pretty dang good. But it's a good thing you're not seeing what I'm seeing, because otherwise, I think your opinion would be easily swayed in the opposite direction. You know. But hey, there it is, laced up and done. I really hate the yellow, to be honest. The yellow kind of ruined it. But hey, it is what it is. Okay, well, it's been a while. I slept. And here the shoes dried and done and doody dotty dee did. It's very uneven everywhere, but hey, what can you expect? It's a Walmart brand acrylic paint, 1 layer, 1 hour, on some super old Jordans that I didn't bother to clean. It is what it is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, hit it with a like. If you didn't, then bye. If you really want to see more content, please subscribe and check out the other content we have on the channel. And also catch us live at Exient Gaming on Twitch. That's twitch.tv/Exient Gaming. And catch our TikTok if you want. Just post like small snippets of our full videos on TikTok. So it's just for outside exposure. So I don't really care if you guys check it out or not. But if you are from the TikTok and you're watching this video, thank you for checking out the video, and thank you for supporting the TikTok. Yeah, it's just Exient_ENT. It'll be in the description of the video, as well as the Twitch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We made shoes. They were ugly. But who knows? Maybe in the future, if I get big, I could sell them for like $10,000. We could dream. We could dream. And you can too with the all new merch. I'm just joking. Thanks for tuning in to the YouTube. Make sure to catch us live Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Hope you have a pleasant day. And I'll see you in the next one. You know what it is.